In this video, you will learn how to hide your phone number in Telegram. So to hide your phone number on Telegram, now open up your Telegram app like this. So after you open the Telegram app like this, now you can tap on this menu at the top left side. After you open menu, now you can scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings. Here is settings, go to settings. So after you come to this settings, now you can tap on this settings and privacy again. Under the settings and privacy, as you can see now you can scroll to down, as you can see. Now you can tap on this section which says phone number. Here it says my contacts. So tap on this section to change it. So in this section, as you can see, it says who can see my phone number. All you have to do now it's set to my contacts. Now all your contacts can be able to see your phone number. So you can change it to, as you can see now, this last option which says nobody. So as you can see now, I set it now to nobody. As you can see now, who can see my phone number is nobody. So you can tap on this save button. So now no one can be able to see your phone number on Telegram. You set it to private. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.